Vậy chú result cần buông đó na hay cái ready to khóc mấy này nó bằng quan làm phút khóc mấy á hay hết là một hàng camera tên này nên tay podium chặt tóc tắc tay con đầu xiêm bốc hay anh phút to khóc mấy anh Perez làm tên lòng cal bốc à còn phải làm tên nursery tên mi tên lại anh đầu xiêm sắc mấy cái này tuần này tên xiêm giàu trong tôi tuần này cần result point tu te hi còn fine class KG1 atanga class 2 kheng puang phot do na chu covid awang na rolling kan puang hlei thei hlom lo ni he lam parents te po an fa te result en tuina non kala then chun ngui deuh hia ya then chun nui deuh var ani be se sang de te chu fine lam assembly conductor
100 marks.
Sorry, I still can't enough.
500. All of you clap your hands. Yes. The first position got full mark in all the subjects. Did very well in the online classes also. And the second position got 497 marks. 497 marks out of 500 marks. And the third position got 496.25 marks out of 500.
Position. Okay, thank you. Keep down your hand. Okay. Patunga ng puang. Oh, third. Patunga. Half yearly examination 2021-22. KG1. Third position goes to T. Valafiat Kuya. Take your hand. Okay, thank you. And here is the second position. The second position goes through Lal Dampu as the name. After this, there will be a photo session. And who will be the first? Do you have any dreams of Papa Larola? Okay, thank you. Can you do more? Okay. Here is the first position. First position goes through Lal Hupuira there. Let me say one thing again. Here we have top 3 standing in the podium. Hands, everyone. Photo session. Get through. Third position goes through Esther Sari. Please come up. We need to clap here, our hands. And here is the second position. Second position goes through Via Zuari. Please come out. Cái giá cái phòng nó đủ phát ổn hả? Cái gì đủ hả? Nó ổn No, no. No, come on. Okay. Get through. First position goes through. Jailalin Felix. Please come out. As we can see here, here is the top 3 holder. So again, all the KG2 students, let us give more of our efforts for the coming examination as well, okay? Then here is the result of class 1. In class 1, we have two third position holder, okay? Patumna Pani, oh. After I call out your name, please come forward, okay? Class 1, third position goes through Laurin Omisilo. Please clap your hands. She is absent for today. And third position again goes through PC Lauren Puya. PC Lauren Puya. Please come out. Now the second position goes through Ace Remruat Kimi. Ace Remruat Kimi, please come out. And here is the first position holder. KG1 first position goes through. Class 1, first position goes through Valaram Ruatik. Valaram Ruatik.
They are looking at their parents.
Okay, here we have first, second, and third position holder. So our teachers will distribute their prizes, and after that, photo session will follow. Number 1, Nalin Kimi. Nalin Kimi. Here we have another top position holder. Lalma is worried. Lalma is worried. And the second position goes through the first one. Malsom Dom Zeri. Malsom Dom Zeri. And the second position goes through Kerong Sampuya. Kerong Sampuya. And here is the first position from class 2. First position goes through Vienna Som Kluangin. Accordingly, our class teacher will distribute the prizes and the photo session will follow again. Please clap your hands.
Tôi hiền class 3 tanga class 7 result kan puang le do
Class 7. Class 3, half yearly examination 2021-22. Third position goes through Jacob Romal Soma. Jacob Romal Soma. And Then the second position goes through Laldu Saka. From class 3, the first position, who do you think will be the first position holder? Anyone? Okay, here is the first position. The first position from class 3 goes through SRB Lalong Chumi. Okay. She's absent for today. So our class teacher will distribute the prizes, and after that there will be a photo session with her. Who is class 4? Class 4. Yeah. That's again from the third position. Who do you think half yearly examination 2021 to 22? Third position from class 4 goes through Lalan Ruata. Who will be the next then? Who will be second position goes through Vala Lunkimi. Maybe she is absent for today. Then what about the first position? Class 4. The first position goes through. Let's go to Numa. Please pick out. Now we have first, second, and third position holder. So then the Miss will distribute the prizes. Please put your hands. The third position, the 5 goes through Lansang Timid. And the second position goes through Remrut Puya. Then we will send in the middle. Now, here we have the first position. First position goes through Ramdin Fela. Okay. Here we have the first, second, and third position holder. Our class teacher will distribute the prize. Clap your hands, please. The third position goes through Lalimo Masilo. Oh, he's absent. Before we proceed, let me say this word. The first, listen carefully, please. The first position. Ready? Here is the first position. First position from class 6 goes through Kela Lompui. The class teacher will distribute the prize. Backlog of Kimmy. Backlog of Kimmy. Our total mark is 620.6. Is it high? And the second position goes through Zedizon Unsami. Here we have the first position. The first position secured. Listen carefully. A total mark of 646. First position from class 7 goes through Valal Benhimi. Valal Benhimi. Class teacher will distribute the prize. Third position holder from class 8. Third position goes through Esther Masong Zuali. You may stand up in the podium. Label is there, so you stand up. Then who will be the second position holder from class 8? Who do you think? Okay. Here the second position. Second position goes through Valakiat Pui. Valakiat Pui. Then who will be the first position holder? The blue one. Okay, let's see again. Here is the result. Are you ready? Class 8 first position goes through Lavia Plua. Let's clap our hands. Holder. Class 9 third position goes through Arbana Shuaya. Listen. The second position goes through F. Vanalo Omic. F. Vanalo Omic. Now, who will be the first position? Who do you think? Get ready. Ready? I'm going to announce it. Class 9 half-yearly examination 2021 to 22. First position goes through Ludwig Louis. Okay, here we have first, second, third position from class 9. The class teacher will distribute the prize. So distributing the prize, please clap your hands, okay? Here is the third position for the class 10 half-yearly examination. Third position goes through Rahul Puya. Is it okay? And here is the second position. Who won the second position? Here is the second position, securing 447 marks. Second position goes to Bilal Thamut Puya. Then who will be the first position holder? Let me make it nervous. Percentage. Class 10 half-yearly examination, 21 to 22. First position goes through Ramdin Puya Saidam. Here we have first, second, and third position order. Our classes will distribute the prizes and the photo session will continue.